happy Tuesday. Did I even vlog? I haven't for a while. I apologise. Today has not been the best of days. Firstly, I thought I had the dentist today because that's what my calendar said last night, and I remembered I rearranged it, and I thought yes, today was the rearranged date. Turns out next week is the rearranged date, so I walked all the way to the dentist, and then luckily I didn't talk to anyone before they were like, no, your appointment's next week, and walked all the way back, which was fine. And then just generally just had a bit of a rubbish day. I'm trying to find a car and I'm just overwhelmed. There's just too many choices, too many things to think about, too many factors, and too many people that it's just a bit like, oh. But my Kash Beauty order came a while ago and I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it together. I'm really excited. So we can see this. Ta-da! Oh, there's the box. Move this piece of paper out of the way. So this is the vibes. I don't want to like ruin it. 1 moment. So we have this. Oh, it's all been like packaged. Oh, they have their own tissue paper. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Right, so just opened it. Have I? Oh, really? Just opened it? Not gonna lie, shipping was a bit expensive. It was like £8, but I get what, €8, I guess, you know, understandable. So, oh, these lashes are funky. So we have the eyelashes. No glue though. It's a bit, not cheap, but cheap. The lipstick boxes. I mean, I just want to display these. They're so gorgeous. They are stunning. I think rust nude is the only one that's actually going to suit me. So, oh, that's pretty. Just love. I've seen all of this before. I've seen it on Instagram already. But look at that. I'm gonna film something tonight, maybe. See, it's basically my skin tone, but I reckon we could get away with it. I reckon we could get away with that. That is really pretty. I'm gonna do a full unboxing, I think, on my channel, so I'm not gonna open it all now. And then we have the palette. Wow, it's like the same size as the Kaylee palette that I got from Sosu. So, you know, we'll take this off, and here we have it in my hands. Honestly, I'm so glad I bought this. I said this to Davina earlier. I'm so glad I bought it because I've seen everyone on Instagram have it, and I'm just getting serious FOMO. Ooh. Oh, I like that. This protecting covering is actually stuck on. I'm intrigued. I mean, it's really basic. I'm not gonna lie, it is really basic, but it is nice. So I think I know what I'm doing tonight, and that is a video with this stuff. So yeah, but I'm just gonna finish getting my work bits done, and that is pretty much it. And just to be honest, I just can't bother to finish. I've had a day and I'm just a bit overwhelmed and a bit stressed. Hello, I am feeling a little bit better. I've just been sat watching Bake Off with the family. I never used to be a Bake Off person. I didn't get it, but then lockdown came about and I needed some entertainment while I was doing my work, and Bake Off was there for me. And by that I mean the repeats of Bake Off. So it came back, and now I'm making myself watch it every single time it's on, and it was really good. I'm enjoying it. I'm just shopping. I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm shopping around for a new car, and I'm stressed because I thought I knew what I wanted. Turns out I didn't really know what I want, but I also did. But what I wanted was way out of my price range. I think I found a hefty compromise, so we'll see. That'll be an interesting vlog when that happens. I am planning to film my Kash Beauty review probably on Thursday. Can I do that? It's family film night. We'll try. And I want to see how the lipsticks look on like a medium skin tone rather than pale fair medium skin tones, because that's what a lot of people I've seen at the moment be using it. Because, oh my god, I've started watching Ratchet on Netflix and it is so good. Like, it's so good that like I haven't picked up another book after finishing Midnight Sun. I didn't even do a Midnight Sun review. What? Tomorrow I'm working, but in the evening I have a delivery for an exciting project I'm working on that we need to try and test, and once it gets a little bit more secure I shall divulge about the secret project, but for now that's all you're gonna get. And I also should be getting some news about another secret project tomorrow. So very exciting. Oh my god, I'm really aching from my workout the other day. Hey, right, first off, am I Steve Jobs or am I Priya? Who knows? Look at this outfit. Oh, I'm very conscious of the fact that the vlog has been highly neglected and also with lost its touch, I guess. Thursday today, I had a late-ish night last night. I was trying out some things for a new project that I'm doing, but I just wanted to have a bit of a chat because I really don't know what happened this week or what I even recorded this week or where the vlog is even going these days. I was contemplating just taking a break from it and just not doing it for a while because I was like, why did I even start this in the first place? And then I realised it was because I wanted to just kind of share my own lockdown experience and give a bit of hope and inspiration to people that were also in lockdown, because I think I started this on week 6 of lockdown. It's fairly early on. Yeah, so that's the reason I started it, and I think I've just lost track of it a little bit, and I've just kind of, there's no story to it, you know, there's no story to it. So I really want to reevaluate the situation. So if you have any ideas, please just let me know. Even if you think they're stupid or I won't like them, just let me know, because it only takes one good idea and then we're out there. And I've been watching Casey Neistat's vlogs recently, and his are only like 5 minutes long, and I'm really enjoying them, and they're really simple. I've got apple in my tooth, and I'm just trying to figure out a way to do something like that, because in all honesty I saw this post and this girl was like, well, someone asked this girl if she watches vlogs, she was like, no, not unless they have a story. And I think that's a lot of people. Like, I'm not a big fat YouTuber that has loads of following that people are invested in my life. Not yet anyway. So I need to find like a story or something to share that's a little bit more like insightful, I guess. I could probably do like a week in the life of a content creator and full-time worker with a secret project on the side. I could do probably a week of how I save my money. Not very well at the moment, although Saturday is going to be an exciting day because I am going to view a new car. Why do I look like the Leaning Tower of Pisa? I am going to view a new car and I'm really excited. I won't show you yet, I'll show you when we get there, but I'm really excited. This might be the one, guys. It might be the one. And I'm going to get my nails done in a moment. I'm just waiting for my mother to get off the phone. I'll do it there because she's downstairs. I'm just waiting for her to get off the phone so we can go to the salon. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And just wanted to share that with you. Hello. How are we? I just filmed my Kash Beauty review, and spoiler, I can only say good things because it's just amazing. Apart from the lipsticks, they're a little bit hit and miss, but overall really good things. This is the look. I don't really know if you can see it from a bit exposed. Like everything, the packaging, and it's just all so pretty. But yeah, that should be up on my channel next week if I can pull my finger out my butt and do some editing. And I'm just tidying up now. We're gonna have a chill evening. Oh, it's movie night tonight. I'm late. So yeah, I'm just gonna tidy all this up, see what the situation is downstairs. I just thought I'd check in from my little existential crisis-y rant earlier. Basically, and my camera is going to die, so I apologise if it dies. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing okay now that we're going into what seems to be a second lockdown. I think everyone's just fed up. Oh, I forgot to show you my nails. These are my nails. focused? They're like a really cool blue colour. But I just think everyone's a bit fed up now with this situation. Happy Friday. It is time to sort the wardrobes out. So in here is currently the summer wardrobe. So we have dresses and crop tops. But now it's time to get the jumpers and the turtlenecks back out and put them in the wardrobe because autumn is finally here. So that is what I'm doing. We just had a chippy dinner and I'm just doing that because it's really cold today. So enjoy.
Option was losing it on the way home. Remembering his
Summer.
pit stop in the random
Winter.
garden.
Right. Yeah. You can see me in the mirror.